Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see one error that you often face in ASP.NET Core newer versions like .NET Core 6 or 8. So here it says session has not been configured for this application or request. So I was trying to use a session. I was trying to set a session variable, and I am getting the error that you see here, that session has not been configured. So like in ASPX or web MVC, there you can use web sessions directly, but in .NET Core versions you cannot use that directly. So first what you have to do is you have to go to your program.cs. So this is like .NET Core 8, but this will also work in the .NET Core 6 and 7. So first thing that you have to do here is write builder.services.add session. So we will add session service here, and then one more change you have to do is you have to call the use session middleware here. Okay, so you have to do both of these steps, and after that you can go and use the session here. So we will see now. So you can see that this code has not given error this time like it was given previously. So here you can see that session keys has been set and ID has been assigned. So you can see it will run normally and will not throw any error. Okay, so this is not the same error, this is just because I have used some values here on the form, so that is not a session issue. So this is how you can fix the session issue and use session in your ASP.NET Core 8.0. So thank you guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.